Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. And you know me, usually I like to do those videos where I prepare everything. I have the title, I have my different parts. But today I was, you know what? I'm gonna just go with the flow, go with the vibe, and just talk about the 4 different mistakes that traders do. And I'm gonna tell you from my perspective as an experienced trader, because that's the thing. A lot of people start investing, they don't really know what's going on, why they are losing their money. So let me tell you that now that I made over $20 million investing, what are the mistakes I have done and how you can potentially improve your trading skills. So the first thing that people do, and for me this is just one of the major reasons why you are losing your money, is because you are over trading. Some of you maybe don't know what's over trading because you don't realize that they are doing it, but over trading is you constantly trying to get into a position. People don't understand, and please mark my word because this is very important. Not knowing how to not trade is knowing how to trade. Okay, I can even making it in another sense. Knowing when not to trade is knowing how to trade, because that's the thing. It's so easy, especially when you spend 3-4 hours in front of the chart to be, oh, I'm gonna get into a buy position, or here we have a sell setup, yeah, I'm gonna do that. No, stop over trading. Stop trying to that's the main mistake, you know. Some traders, they're gonna find some like fake resistance, fake support, fake trend line. They're gonna try to add up information, even like their brain is gonna hallucinating and telling you, oh, now you can potentially, and then you're just gonna lose your money. So guys, don't try to beat the market. Don't try to invent things. Like, your trading sessions needs to be efficient. It doesn't need to be long. So me personally, every morning I go on my chart and I spend maybe 20 minutes maximum. And when I say 20 minutes, it's because what I usually do is during the weekend, I redo all my charts. I do everything. Obviously, when you're gonna start trading, you will need to spend more time. But now, with my experience, I don't need to spend hundreds of hours every single day watching what's going on in the market. No, I wake up, go on the economic calendar, look at the news, compare like if it might impact my positions. Then I'm looking if my position is a day trade or is it a swing position. And I just do all that work and then it's fine. I just spend 20 minutes because then it's just a follow-up, and that's the secret. Like most people, and that's not even in trading, every file, okay, any type of domain, like people always do a burnout. In which sense I mean a burnout is like they're gonna give 200% of themselves the first week, the first 10 days, and being at 200% is not a sustainable way of working, living. It doesn't work like this, you know. So you're gonna give 200% and then you're gonna stop and fail out, and that's a mistake. Don't give 200% of yourself thinking, oh, now I'm motivated. Even for the gym, people go to first week 5 times or even like 2 times a day, then they do a burnout, they tire of the gym. It's like a pain in the you know. And you shouldn't be doing that in trading, in gym, or any other domain. Please note that it's very important to be consistent. Instead of giving 200% of yourself, of your person, do 70%, 60%, but do it every single day for the next 2 years, 3 years, and you're gonna see the difference. You're gonna become successful. And I think that if I can put one word in my success, is consistency. I never stop doing what I do every single day. I don't give 100%, I don't give 150%, even 200%, but every day I range between 60 to 70%. But I'm making sure that I can sustain that business model, philosophy of living, and that's very important. So if we go back to trading, please don't over trade. Don't give to 100% of yourself. Just look at the charts, do your work, and work is done. Don't try to over trade. You're just gonna lose your time, and time is money. So you're losing more money, and then you're gonna do some stupid trade. You're gonna lose more money, so you're losing twice more money. Just be smart. Don't over trade, and that's the first big thing I want to tell you. Okay, don't over trade, guys. Yeah, another thing I wanted to add before ended up this part of over trading, it's simply that why people over trading, because when you are in front of the computer, your emotions can take the lead over your rational side. And what's gonna happen is you're gonna be, oh, that's gonna be a good buy. Oh, then it goes up, you wanted to buy, then you're getting pissed, and it's just bad. your emotions gonna get involved, and if there is one thing to avoid when you're trading is to have your emotion involved. This is horrible. The mistakes number 2 that people do is simply that they don't use any proper risk management. Okay, let's be honest. Some people can win 8 trade over 10, 7 trade over 10, but does it mean they are profitable? Not necessarily, if they have a bad risk management. So for example, if you have a risk management of 1-4-1, it means that you need to trade one trade over another one to be break even. So one trade every 2, you know. So for example, if we talk about risk management, it means that your stop loss gonna be 30 pips. Okay, this is just like in theory. This isn't how it really works in the real world of trading. But let's say your stop loss is 30 pips and your take profit is 60. Okay, even if you lose 2 trades, you need to win 1 over those 3 and you're break even. So that's 1-4-2. If you do 1-1, it's very bad because you're gonna have 30 pips SL for 30 pips TP. If you do 1-2, it's 30 pips SL for 60 pips TP. TP goes for take profit, by the way, if someone doesn't know this, and SL for stop loss. Then some people have a bad risk management. So it means they're gonna have 60 pips SL for 30 pips TP. And on the long term, it's gonna be very hard to be sustainable and profitable because you need to win 2 trades over to break even. So let's say you lose 3 trades over 10, you are not profitable. You're gonna lose money. So having a good risk management is a key thing. You need to have a good risk management. And what I mean by risk management is first, use a good risk reward. Okay, this is a key element for me, and a good leverage. You know, I see some people trading 10 lots on a 2,000 pounds account. You're gonna burn your account. 20 pips down, 50 pips down, you are done. Margin call straight away, you're gonna burn your account. So guys, don't be greedy. Don't try to oversize. And oversize risk reward, it's for me, it's all about risk management. Why? Again, you need to have a good risk management, because even if sometimes, let's say you go with your emotion and you want to trade again, yeah, and you do mistakes, that can happen. Even me, it happens. But like, let's say it happened to you, then it's fine, because even if you lose a trade, in theory you have a good risk reward. It's fine, we will make it back. It's fine, you become greedy, you wanted to trade again, hold more position. It's fine, you had a good lot size, it's not that big. You are only risking 1 to 2% per trade, because most people, they go and put like lot size, even knowing what it means, you know, like you need to have a proper lot size. Like some people want to go from 300 pounds account to 10,000 pounds in a month. That's not realistic. Just compare to what the other financial institutions are doing. They make 10-12% a year. So if you just copy what they do with your 1,000 pounds account, you will be making 100 pounds or 120 pounds. Then obviously when you're starting with like smaller account, your goal is to go with higher risk, because you don't necessarily care about that money. You're more looking for the experience, for the knowledge, to get familiar with the platform. So yeah, you want to go a bit riskier when you go with smaller amount, and some people want to do it for fun. But even though, you need to have a good risk management and a proper lot size, you know, like try to invest 1 to 3% maximum per trade. So it means that if you're doing an investment, yeah, and you think, okay, I'm willing to lose 1%. So you have 1,000, or even better, you have 10,000 pounds account. You want to lose 1%. So you're gonna be using 100 pounds, the equivalent. So what is gonna be? It's gonna be, for example, 0.5 lots, and your stop loss is gonna be around 20 pips. That's gonna be something good, because you're gonna have a nice lot size, 1% loss, and you're not gonna burn your account. Even if you lose, it's fine. Please consider what I'm saying, because it's definitely here to help you to understand that you can make money by investing, but you need to play it smart. If you go and start gambling your money, putting high lot size, bro, you're just gonna burn yourself. Like seriously, don't invest, because that's very important and people don't talk about it often. But for me, the line between investing and gambling, it's very close. So if you start just showing your money online, please go to a casino. You're gonna enjoy way more, gonna be way less pissed when you think that you're investing. So yeah, investing is taking and minimizing the risk and taking several factors. Okay, it's a smart decision. While gambling, you just go because you feel like your gut is telling you this. Please understand that if you are investing your money, you need to follow a good risk management. So what I mean is a good risk reward and a good lot size. So the first thing I was talking before was overtrading, and I mentioned the emotion, but this is a third part, to be honest, emotion control. So I met a lot of guys in the trading industry telling me, oh, Switzy, I'm profitable, I know how to make money. I'm like, okay, show me your live trading account. They're like, oh, I don't have. I said, what do you mean you're successful? You don't have live account? Yeah, but on my demo the last like 4, 5, 6 months, I've been like making around 20-25% a month. Let's be honest, 25% a month is an amazing return on investment. And it's doable. It's something that you can literally do, okay? You don't need like to be God to make it. Some good investments, some crypto stuff, some Forex higher risk, you can make it. Some stocks pumping like never. It can happen, especially now with the recession and everything going on. But what's different is that man said demo, and on demo you don't have your emotion. So even when you're trading, you can lose 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, have a losing streak. You're not gonna doubt about yourself because you are not impacted by the loss. It doesn't go on you. You're not thinking, oh, maybe I'm doing something wrong, maybe my strategy is not good, maybe like, I don't know, I'm not analyzing properly, maybe something's wrong on the outside and it's taking my mind. You don't have all this emotion impacting you, and when you lose the money, you don't really care at the end of the day because this is not your money. It's not impacting you. So yo, me when I go to sleep and I have trade, like right now I have some trades, yeah? Let me just check how much I'm down. Yeah, look, I'm currently down. I don't know if you can see, but I'm currently down by 3,000 pounds right now on this trade on Euro USD. If man goes sleep and is down, not me, because me, I know how to handle my emotion, and 3,000 pounds, it's not necessarily a lot for my capital and my trading account. But for them, if they would be 3,000 pounds down, they couldn't sleep. Then they are tired, they wake up, like they're overthinking, maybe they're gonna close the trade, boom, they're gonna close the trade. But in reality, if they wouldn't have let their emotion impact them, they would have held the position, and now they would be in damn profit. So yeah, emotion is a key factor, and people most of the time forget about this. When you are trading, don't let the emotion take advantage of you. This is what I was saying about demo account. When you are on the demo account, losses are not impacting you. This is the first thing. Second thing, you're not necessarily gonna be greedy on a demo account because you know at the end of the day, this money you didn't really make it. So emotion is not gonna be, oh, I could have made more, I could have made more. You're like, okay, I did a good trade, that's it. But bro, when you go live account, then your emotion really start impacting you. So you're gonna be, oh, mamma mia, I have a losing trade right now. What should I do? Should I close? Maybe you're gonna close earlier. That's gonna be a mistake because then it's gonna go back up, or maybe you are like shorting and it's going up and then it's gonna go back down again. So your emotion is gonna impact you on that side. Then you're also gonna have the emotion side where it's gonna make you greedy, you know? You're gonna be, oh shit, I closed at plus like 40 pips. Oh, it's going more. Oh, okay, I'm buying again. Boom, then you're losing. Or man, the second trade goes well, but one time you're just gonna get screwed by the market is gonna beat your ass. Stick to your strategy. Don't let your emotion tell you, oh, I should do that, I should do that. Nah, stop with this. Stop. That shouldn't impact you. And this is what I'm saying. It's nice making money on demo account. It's virtual. Go on real, and then we talk back, and then you can tell me I am profitable. But that's the three main things. The first thing, don't overtrade. Second thing, use a nice risk management. What I mean by risk management, nice risk reward, a proper lot size which fits with your trading account. Third thing, don't let your emotion. And the fourth thing is don't change your strategy once it works. So I met some traders, like not some, a load of traders through my career, and some of them, when they have a losing streak, it can happen. Like, we're not gonna lie to each other. Like, we can all have a losing streak. We can all like lose 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row, even sometimes. But what's gonna happen if you're a good trader? You just understand, okay, maybe the market is currently acting weird, so let me just take a break. Or, oh, maybe I don't know, I'm not focused enough. Maybe I'm missing something out. Let's just stop trading, back testing it again. Just take some, you know, some this and be, oh, maybe I'm doing something wrong, I'm not focused on. It can have so many reasons why it's not working right now trading for you, but it doesn't mean your strategy is not working. And sometimes some traders doing this strategy for a couple months, then trying to change because they lost, then they go on this, try to masterize that strategy, doesn't work for them. They try to go back, but they lost sometimes. So yo, don't try to go back and forth. If you are learning, you need to try everything, you know. It's like, I don't know the English for, but like it's in French we say un entonnoir. Like, you know, like when you put a liquid, it goes like this, And so you try all the strategy, and then at the end you have the strategy that works for you. So once you find a strategy that works for you, just stick with that strategy. Don't try to invent something new because you lost some trade. As I told you, it's maybe like what's going on the market, maybe just you who's less focused. Like, it can be many things. Just stick to your strategy. And obviously after 5-6 months it doesn't work. But if you have been profitable for the last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, then you have a losing streak, don't change it. Even if you have been profitable for like 6-7 months in a row, it's been your strategy works. Don't take a break from your strategy. Just take a break from trading. Do a little break, take some time from you, come back stronger than never. So for me, these are the 4 main mistakes that people do when they start investing. They don't control themselves from those 4 perspectives. And for me, with my experience and by generating that much from investing, I would recommend you to take a note of everything I said. And next time you're in front of the chart, oh, just 25 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna be 25 minutes. Oh, I wanna trade again. No, Switzy said, don't be greedy. Okay, then I'm demo. Okay, now I'm profitable on demo. Okay, let's try with a real account, but don't go big. Don't go big necessarily. Try small. Start with 500 pounds, 1,000 pounds, 5,000 pounds. You know, don't go with 100k straight away. Go small and build it up. Anyway, guys, this is everything for me today. I hope you like those 4 tips that hopefully will help you to become more profitable, or maybe even to avoid some mistakes. And in case you like it, feel free to like the video and let me know in the comments what you thought about it.